broke it right off.
Today we're going to be tackling a common problem on any old Ford. Really any old vehicle. Especially those with rubber lines. Over time, those lines are going to get brittle and they're going to crack. If you're having misfires, can't quite figure out, you're having a bad fuel delivery, this is probably the issue. You might want to drop your gas tank and figure it out. Even on newer vehicles, it's very common for the gas tank to just be held up by 2 metal straps and a couple of bolts. Make sure to like and subscribe if you think this might fix your issue. There's hundreds of pounds of gas.
You're gonna want to take
Put the jack under there.
Okay, so you took it off from here, so everything from here is good forward.
I think so.
Oh, see, this is good. This looks good too. Okay, so we're gonna want to take that off. Oh yeah. Okay.
That's what was making bubbles earlier.
Gas.
Gas tank looks good inside too. So,
Oh yeah, you want to.
before I go cutting lines, I want to make sure. I want to run it over with.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, let me take this off.
Yeah, I just want to see how. Okay, yeah, is it?
It's bad.
Is it bad? Really?
Yeah.
I think that this would cause the problem.
Let's look.
Just
Primo.
Spencer got
The
stabbed.
blue.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm gonna save enough
All right.
for the next
All
time
right, so we
this
feel that might have been an
Yeah.
issue.
happens. It looks like an issue.
Yes, I'd like to believe you, but wasn't that pronounced.
It doesn't need to be pronounced. That's something somebody wouldn't find and they'd think their vehicle was forever
No, I
ruined.
hear you.
Yeah.
Get it up on top of those things first.
This isn't that heavy. 5 gallons of water. Right up. Flip it over. There you go.
Sounds good, too.
Maybe better than ever before.
Well, that stuff I just put in should help it be better. That stuff I just put in will help it run better.
See that smoke behind me? We're working some dry gas and other things, sea foam as well. Working that through the Bronco right now. We've been having fuel issues, but we finally, after a long day, dropped the gas tank, finally figured out those fuel issues. It's running on double pumps now, both a mechanical and an electronic fuel pump. We're gonna take it for a ride, get some of that stuff running through it. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out our other videos too. We've got a lot of exciting projects we've already done, and we have some big news on the way for you guys. Remember guys, have fun and stay safe.